Let's make some skin glow soap using fresh carrots. Carrot on skin exfoliates the skin gently and helps to glow the skin or brighten the skin. All we'll be needing is a soap base, fresh carrots, some glycerin, and some other oils. Okay, you can cut your soap base into tiny pieces so that it can easily melt off. Use a double boiler method to melt the soap base. You don't need to melt directly on fire. So after grating our carrots, we extract the juice directly so that there won't be any extra water molecule in it. Now we have our carrot juice ready to mix. Yeah, this is pure carrot juice. So finally, our soap base is completely melted. We're going to go ahead and add vitamin E oil. 2 is enough for this quantity. Add about a teaspoon of glycerin. Also add some quantity of coconut oil. Though coconut oil is not compulsory. But if you wish to use it, make sure it's pure. It's purely extracted. Then finally, we'll add our carrot extract. At this point, it's beginning to solidify. So once the soap base is melted, you just add your ingredients almost immediately so it doesn't solidify before you pour into the mold. Just pour into the mold after stirring. Then you can leave it to cool on its own. You can leave it to cool in an airy environment, or you place it in the fridge, not freezer, just fridge, a cool place. And our soap is ready, surprisingly. Hey,
Wow, I'm come and see our
the
soul.
excitement.
Ah, I'm the smart thing, you know. Wow.
Making soup have finally become
Yeah.
easy. One just need the right
Hmm.
ingredients to make them. Hope this was enlightening. See you in our next video. Bye.